appreciation, and peace flow through my mind, like a clear stream. I have the power to heal, and I am getting healthier every day. I give time and space to my soul to restore. I believe everything heals with time. I am determined to cure my wounds, soul, mind, and see things differently. I can manifest joy and healing. I visualize my highest self to take good care of my mind. I deserve peace to ensure mental well-being. It is time to move ahead to discover the purpose of my existence and own my truth. I am worthy, talented, deserving, and healthy. I prefer inner peace more than false hopes and temporary satisfactions.